Sebumi was founded in 2018 by a group of nature, sustainability, and conservation enthusiasts. We started as a zero-waste travel provider, allowing our guests to experience pristine nature to national parks around Indonesia, while also learning to be more responsible with our waste and carbon footprint. We also incorporate activities to allow our guests to make meaningful connection to local community as well as take part in conservation actions. In recent years, we developed into a more holistic platform to enable sustainable lifestyle. We offer an end-to-end solution from education, experience, to product. For education, we provide 9 sustainable workshops as introduction to multiple aspects of life that can be made greener. Water, waste, food, shelter, transportation, energy, biodiversity, fashion, and mindfulness. For experience, we offer Sebumi Mendaki, Merimba, and Melaut. With zero waste journey concept to enjoy and appreciate Indonesian mountains, forests, and seas. Since the pandemic, we also offer virtual tours. And lastly, for products, we have just launched Seakar, a collection of curated products designed to help audience to adopt a greener lifestyle. We have worked with more than 9,000 individuals, schools, as well as corporate. We have offset 397.5 tons of carbon, planted 1,520 trees, and touched 10 communities. We are hoping you could be next. Sebumi, live to connect.